In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a post on a Facebook business page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and either publish or schedule a post for your business, all using Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're in, you should see a dashboard where you can manage different tools for your business, like posts, messages, and insights. On this main dashboard, look for the option that says Create Post. It's usually easy to spot, often near the top or along the side of the page. Click on Create Post to open the Post Composer. This is where you'll build your post. At the top of the Composer, you'll see a drop-down that shows where your post will be published. Click on this drop-down and select the Facebook business page you want the post to appear on. This is especially important if you manage more than one page. So always double check that the correct page is selected before moving on. Now you can start adding content. If you want to include an image, click on Add Photo. This will open a file browser on your computer where you can choose the image or images you want to upload. Select a clear, high-quality image that represents your message well. Visuals are a big part of what grabs attention in the feed. If you'd prefer to share a video or add one alongside your text, click on Add Video. Again, a file browser will open so you can select your video file. Try to keep videos relatively short and engaging, especially for social media. Next, click into the main text field and type the message you want to share. This could be an announcement, a promotion, an update, or anything else your audience needs to know. Keep your text clear and to the point, and make sure it matches the image or video you've added. If you don't want the post to go live right away, look for the option to set a date and time. Turn on the toggle to schedule your post. You'll then be able to choose the exact day and time you want it to publish. Once you're happy with the schedule, click Schedule to confirm. If you prefer to publish immediately, simply turn off the date and time option and then click Publish. Your post will be shared to your Facebook business page right away.